The digital erasure. 4. The heart of the server. The streets of London lay cloaked in an autumn mist that seeped into bone, breath fogged, collar turned up against the damp, footsteps on the pavement, a lone percussion. Oliver Travers moved through it with practiced ease. A man grown fluent in shadow. The city's faces had cooled into strangers, voices from familiar mouths arriving thin, as if his name had been excised from every ledger and feed. Paranoia settled in his skin, every sidelong glance a calibrating of risk. Beneath the Docklands' metallic hum, he descended into the city's labyrinthine digital heart. The air vibrated with server thrum and red CCTV pinpricks. This was the epicenter of control, where identities were unstitched, corridors forked like code. Oliver's strides were sharpened by dwindling time. The control room door loomed. Inside, a sterile wash of monitor glow. The senior vice president sat like an image on a screen, smug, malevolent. "You've come," he intoned, voice smooth as cut glass. "But it's too late, Oliver. Tomorrow, you'll be nothing more than a ghost." Oliver's pulse steadied into a controlled staccato. He glanced at the banks of screens. "You underestimate the power of visibility," he said. The VP laughed, brittle. "Visibility in a world where everything can be rewritten?" Oliver produced a small device from his pocket. "I've already routed your orders, your betrayal, across the CCTV network. Live, undeletable." For a beat, the VP's composure cracked as monitors caught his words in loop. Doubt flickered through Oliver. Triumph, or another move on a larger board? Outside, the fog pressed at the glass. Somewhere in the city's circuitry, a countdown ticked. One day until erasure.